Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming support and gathering what you need: device unlock, carrier QR or activation code, and your account credentials. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug in the phone so the process won't be interrupted. You'll open settings and go straight to the cellular or mobile plans area. Don't skip account sign-in. This first step ensures the phone can fetch carrier profiles and prevents activation errors caused by network or power interruptions. Next, you restore or add the Esim profile. Choose Add Esim or Restore from Backup in mobile or cellular settings. If you have a QR, scan it. Otherwise, enter the carrier's SIM or activation code manually. Once the profile downloads, assign a label and pick which line handles cellular data, voice, and iMessage. This matters for billing and data priority. Make sure mobile data roaming settings match your plan, because mismatches can block network registration. To finish, restart your phone and check for carrier signal and an active data connection. You should see the carrier name and signal bars. If it does not activate, rescan the QR or request the carrier to reissue the Esim profile. Sometimes deletions require a fresh profile. If profiles conflict, delete duplicates and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds before retrying registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.